Okay, here's another update for my game. Yeah, let's play the game from Unity and see what I want to show today. All right, let me focus this one. So basically you can see in the background there are some items moving. So then it feels like this the player is going here and there. So he actually just walking on the street kind of thing. And if you look at the scene window, this is how it looks inside the game. Let me show that. So basically you can see the items are spawning here and they are inside the screen. So after they go off the screen, and they will just destroy, and this will happening infinitely. And for example, here are the three things. And let's select the vending machine item, and let's go to the inspector. So right now speed is -1 because it's going the other direction. I can change the speed into, let's say, 5. It's moving faster than others, so I can put it like 100. And it's really nice to see how this is implemented. And it's really easy to use. For example, you can set an item. It should be any game object, and you can set the speed from the points, and you can set the offsets where I need to spawn. For example, I can generate from here, and then you can change the distance. Let's maybe change it for something like 5, I guess. All right, and the distance should be 18 points, but I can change like 9 points. So then it's maybe 2 points. You can see, so you can see they are much closer likewise. So yeah, and you can set the probability as well, like whether you need to create it every time or just half of the time. Yeah, this is it. I put the details and how to use this code inside the description, and I've just give it a try. See you in some other time.